In this video, I will show you how to add another account on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, I'll be showing you how to do this on the Roblox player, but also on the Roblox website as well. Now, to do this on the Roblox player, once you're in the Roblox player and you're logged into your account, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and click onto More, just down here. Then what you can do is scroll down on the More page. At the very bottom, you're going to see an option to log out. Give that a click, and what you want to do is log out of your account. Now what it's going to do is take you to the sign in screen, so you can either sign in with another Roblox account, or if you want to create one, you can click onto create account and create and add another Roblox account. As mentioned, you can also do this on a web browser version of Roblox. So as you can see, we're here on roblox.com and I'm currently logged into my account. To do it on the web-based version, come up to the right hand side, click onto this gear icon to bring up this menu, and you're going to see an option here to switch accounts. Now if you give that a click, and you can see I've already done this with one of my accounts, but all you would do is come and click onto add account. And what that's going to do is take you to the login page like this, where again you can log in with an existing Roblox account, or come down, click create a new account, and create and add another Roblox account. So that's how to add another account on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.